Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Prepare your phone and account before adding a Natwest card to Apple Pay. You need an iPhone 6 or later running iOS 11, 0 or later. Ensure your Apple ID is signed in and two-factor authentication is enabled for security. Have your Natwest debit or credit card ready with your mobile number registered to the bank. Install or update the Natwest app from the App Store and confirm you can log in. Allow notifications and location services when prompted for smooth setup and verification. Open the Natwest mobile app and sign in with your credentials and passcode. Tap the Cards tab, select the card you want, and choose Add to Apple Wallet to start the process. Confirm or update your card details and follow the on-screen prompts to request verification. Natwest will send a 6-digit SMS or an in-app authentication code for you to enter. After entering the code, wait for Natwest to confirm activation and then check the Apple Wallet for your card. Use Apple Pay by double-clicking your iPhone side button or home button, then authenticate. Hold your iPhone near the contactless reader until you see Done and a tick to confirm payment. For Apple Watch, double-click the side button and hold the watch face near the reader. If activation or payments fail, update iOS and the Natwest app, then try removing and re-adding the card. Contact Natwest support if problems persist, and remember you can manage or remove cards anytime in wallet settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.